Hi there. I would like to share a Web 2.0 tool with you I just found out about. It's called sliderocket. I found it on the Web 2.0 to go website, and just playing around with it in minutes, I started importing PowerPoints into the sliderocket online web application. It is basically PowerPoint, but it's online. So anyone can use it, and you do not need you do not need PowerPoint. So anybody with the internet connection can create slideshows. I think it's a good tool that way. That way you don't have to worry about kids who might not have a computer or Microsoft or PowerPoint to begin with. But I think some of the coolest features is definitely for a teacher. I've been on the sliderocket site for about 5 minutes, and I've already uploaded these 4 PowerPoints on arthropods, biomes, cell growth and division, and cell organelles. And you might be like, all right, great, you uploaded those to sliderocket. What's that mean? Well, I think the coolest part for me is that you can embed these into an existing website. So I can put these on my class website, which I will try to show you at the end here. But just to show you how easy this is to do and how quick it is, if you just click on New, and well, let's click on Import instead. You can do it either way. Import, and you can choose from a PowerPoint, Google Docs, or a PDF. And then you can make it where it's just images, where it cannot be messed around with. But the coolest part, you can make it as editable. So students can, what I like to do is just take my lecture notes sometimes and just put those into a sliderocket, or PowerPoint rather, and then have students give it to the students and have them play around with it. This makes it very, very easy because when you put it into sliderocket as editable, then anybody with an internet connection can take that PowerPoint and spruce it up and add pictures and things like that to it. And I like to do that with my notes because kids tend to, as they're being creative and playing around with your PowerPoint, they tend to learn a little bit about the subject matter as well. So if you make it editable and then you just click on Next, then you'll import a PowerPoint. And from my list, if I just choose to, let's see, I guess dolphins. This is a PowerPoint a student made in my class over the last couple of years. So it doesn't take long. It switches it over to whatever format you want it to be, or it can be exactly like the PowerPoint, the backgrounds and everything like that. And once you get them uploaded, and this was only 6 slides, so this did not take too long, but it converted all the slides and it'll finish the import up. And now you have dolphins in your library. Alright, now this is the coolest part, I think, because when you click on share, you can get a public link where students will be able to follow that link to the sliderocket, or you can get the embed code. If you get the embed code, you can pick the size that you want it. Then all you gotta do is copy this embed code to plug it into HTML on a website. And if I go, let's see, if I go to real quick, I can show you. Well, I'm going to end it there, and then I'm going to try to put one of these onto my website real quick. So once again, just looking at these 5 presentations I put in real quick from PowerPoint into sliderocket. The next video will hopefully